In today's video, I am making chocolate cherry bars. This is only 3 ingredients, so come along with me and I'll show you how I put this together. I'm going to start by cutting the brownie mix open. I'm going to add it to the bowl. I don't know if you've bought this brand of brownies before, but I just wanted to show you it is loaded with chocolate chips, which makes it a little extra special. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 eggs. I will add in the chocolate syrup that came with the brownie mix. And now I just want to give that a really good mix. I'm going to grab my cherry pie filling and I'm going to add that to the bowl. And now I just want to mix all of this up together. That is looking really good. I just want to check the bottom, just make sure I have everything mixed really well. Sometimes you'll find a real dry spot down there on the bottom, so I just want to double check, make sure you got it all really good. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my parchment paper. I'm using an 8x8 pan today. Now I want to make this parchment paper like a little sleeve where I can just pull the brownies out really easy. So I'm just kind of measuring the bottom of the pan. I pull that over. I'm still going to use some spray in the pan. I like to kind of wad it up like that. It just seems to lay better. If you just put it in there without doing that, it doesn't want to stay. It wants to pop out. So this works pretty good. I think I'll use this other piece going the opposite direction, but I'm still going to spray the pan as well. I'm going to put the smaller one in first and then put the bigger one in over the top of that. Just going to give that a really good mix again. Just double check one more time that I do have it really well combined. And I'm going to go ahead and dump all of this in the pan, just like this. Scrape all that goodness out of there into the pan. Then once I get it all in there, I'm going to go ahead and smooth it out. I like to drop it just to make sure I'm getting all the air bubbles out. I'm going to double check that this was the 8-inch pan that I did grab. Yes, it is the 8x8. Now I'm going to put it in the oven, and I thought I'd just show you along the way how it is coming along. And it is looking good. Smells so delicious. One nice thing about doing that. Your kitchen smells amazing. You want to cook them like the package says. The package said to bake it at 325. I've been having trouble with my stove. I just bought a new stove actually, so that problem's going to go away. But I just wanted to say probably want to put it in at 325. Mine were in about 45 minutes, and I just kind of watched to make sure the middle was done. I didn't want to break it, but I think I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the pan and let it cool, and then I'll cut them. I want to go ahead and cut into it, and let's take a look at what these bars look like. This looks so good. What a great snack. I thought about adding frosting, but with the chocolate chips in there, I thought that just might be a little bit too much. These turn out perfect every time. Check this out, and look at the cherries in there. That just adds to the flavor. I hope you give these cherry bars a try. These are so good. A nice little treat when you just need something a little extra special. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And I want to thank you so much for watching.